Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace Snapchat. To get started, you want to log into your Snapchat account and you want to be able to see your charts. Right here I have a chart from me, I have one from Martins, and I have another that I sent to myself. So I'm going to view this. Alright, now I can view it once. If I want to view it again, all I need to do is to tap and hold it in order for it to replay. Alright, so it has become a new snap and I can just go ahead and click on it and I can view it again. Alright, so I can't see that chart anymore. It's gone. Alright, to send a chart without sending a notification, you have to watch me. So I'm gonna send myself another chart. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna just select myself and send it to myself. And so right here I have another chat. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is to log out of Snapchat and I am going to turn on the airplane mode. And what I'm gonna do is to view the snap in airplane mode, okay? And I'm gonna go back to chats. So I'm gonna view the snap in airplane mode. All right, you can see the snap right there, and I'm gonna do it for the second time. So what you want to do now is to go ahead and uninstall Snapchat and install it again. So right now I'm gonna turn off the airplane mode and I'm going to Play Store and I'm gonna install Snapchat again. I'm gonna click on install. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. I'm just gonna skip this part so it doesn't take too much of our time. So we're back into the account. You can see I still have my chart, very new right there, and I can view it. Another way you can see this chart multiple times is to take a screenshot of it. Alright guys, this is how to view a chart multiple times without sending any notification out there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.